Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. We are vlogging today. I'm headed out the door to ship off a Poshmark order. And then I desperately need a car wash. It has been too cold to, my neighbor just opened her garage, so I need to leave before she catches me talking to the camera. I need to go ahead and get a car wash. It has been way too cold in my opinion. I don't know. I feel weird about getting car washes when it's 1 degree out. So I need to go ahead and do that. And then I want to treat myself. Oh, I forgot my gift card. I want to treat myself to a Starbucks coffee. It's been a long time since I've done that. I did get a Christmas gift card. Totally forgot to do that, but I've already like mentally decided to get myself one. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know, boring stuff, but it makes me happy. So that's what we're doing. You guys, Sydney turns 9. I gotta stop vlogging while I drive because my camera tripod in my car like no longer holds a section. But Sydney turns 9 on Sunday. I'm not sure how that's possible. 9 seems so, I think I say this every birthday, but it just seems too old. Like she was just bored. She's just a little girl. Yeah, she turns 9 on Sunday. We're gonna do something fun and special for her birthday, which we are all excited about. And that's where we're at. So I've got some things that I've ordered for her birthday, but I don't know. We just had Christmas, and then we've got summer camps, we've got spring sports and activities. It's just hemorrhaging out of my pocket at this point. It's crazy. So that's where we're at. And I also desperately need to head back home and do a house reset. It's so bad. We weren't home at all yesterday. We were at a friend's house, and then Saturday we were barely home. Basketball, we went to the bookstore and did some stuff. So desperately need to get my house reset as well. So that's what we're doing. We are vlogging. Let's go to the post office, grab some coffee, get a car wash, get some things done. Just like I thought, the car wash line is insanely long. I'm gonna be here for an hour, but that's why I grabbed my coffee first. I got the pistachio cream cold brew. I had never tried it before last year, but I love pistachio, and so I had to give it a go today. Yum. I think it needs a little bit more pistachio flavor, but this is a nice little treat. I knew the car wash was going to be slammed today because it is finally, well, right now my car says it's 29 degrees, but I'm sure most of you know this cold snap has been brutal, and I don't like getting car washes when the temp is freezing. But I desperately need to get my car, just get the salt off my car and underneath it. So this is how we're gonna spend our afternoon. At least it's sunny out and I have a coffee and it's warm in here. When they ask you if you wanna go through the tunnel, absolutely not, sir. No, thank you. My anxiety cannot. Plus my dad used to wash cars, be a car detailer for a living, and he told me to never go through those. So I do the touch-free with the underwash, but yeah. The one where they pull you with your wheel gives me nightmares, and I would absolutely be the one to not do it correctly. Coffee in the car wash line was a bad choice. I am stuck here and I have to pee. Well, we were all moving pretty decently. I got up here, 2 cars in front of me, and I think the car got like the ultimate extreme triple 400 power wash wax turtle. Oh, we're moving again. Okay, we're almost here. All right, I'm back home. I have the hat hair, which I need to fix. And I only have 2 hours before I have to go grab Sydney from school. But it was worth it. Glad I got the car wash done. But now, yeah, I gotta throw in some laundry and do the dishes. And I also wanna go ahead and prep dinner. I'm kind of rotating the schedule. I just posted a YouTube short of our meals that I'm making this week, and I was supposed to do chicken pot pie tonight, but I'm actually going to switch that up and do enchiladas, and I'm just going to prep them ahead of time. Since it's nice out, I want Sydney to be able to play outside. There's a couple of days last week where it was just far too cold to be outside, and they also had indoor recess at school, so I want her to be able to get some fresh air. And that means I need to prep dinner if I don't want a late dinner, and enchiladas are so easy. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the house together and prep some dinner. By the way, I posted this on Instagram stories last night. We have had this lizard for years. A friend gave it to Sydney after they went on vacation, and I believe it came from Myrtle Beach, and it was clearly like a, you know, it's not a brand. It's clearly made. Well, obviously it's made, Haley. Gosh, English. I mean, it might have been from like a small shop or something like that. There is a pin, like a sewing pin, stuck inside of it, and Sydney brought this to me yesterday after she found it in the toy bin like this. So thankful that nothing bad happened, and she was able to catch it. I mean, she's old enough now, but gosh, I think she got this when she was like 3 or 4. But it's definitely got a ball at the end, and I don't want to pop it all the way through and make a hole yet, so I'm just kind of keeping it here until I decide how to fix this. But I don't know. Check your toys. That's for sure, because that is something that I never thought. I mean, it was obviously a mistake. It was left inside, and I can see how that could happen. I don't even know if Sydney's bathing suit still fits her. She has this one in the long sleeve, and we're going somewhere, hint, indoor water park, for her birthday, and I'm just hoping that her bathing suit still fits her, because at this point we're just a few days away, and I don't know if I could get one in time. I'm sure I could, but like I said, we just went to a friend's yesterday. Sydney packed an entire backpack full of some toys to bring, and so they are sprawled out and all over the house. So this is the state of the house currently. We went to the bookstore, and they didn't have a ton of books, believe it or not, that, I don't know, that were of interest to Sydney. So she got a capybara coloring book with her gift card. Right now she's very into capybaras. And I can probably take these off the door now since it's a little bit warmer today. I've got coats hanging to block the draft of certain doors. I have draft blockers on the bottom here, and this is great, but like this door is just attached to the garage and blows freezing cold air in the house. So yeah, I guess I can hang this back up today. Sydney has a routine every morning and every night. These are what she takes upstairs and downstairs. This is everything she got for, well, not everything. She got these for Christmas. And then these are two of her favorites as well. So these are the special ones that make it up and down the stairs every day. And they just live here. All right, we've got laundry going. At least the floors have stopped crunching beneath my feet. If you know, you know, the salt. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the enchiladas. I make vegetarian enchiladas a lot. That's what I'm gonna do today. We just had chicken last night. We're gonna have a lot of chicken. Well, we always do. Anyway, I'm just gonna do some onion, garlic, the chilies. I have some green chilies in here. I have the enchilada sauce, but I think I'm gonna wait to put sauce on it so that way it doesn't get soggy or anything. And oh, beans. I have beans, and I also have some fire roasted corn I might put in there. Sorry about the noise of my washing machine. It's very old and hanging on. So I've stuffed the whole wheat tortillas, and when it's time for dinner, I will just put the enchilada sauce on the bottom a little bit and pour it on the top and sprinkle the last bit of this cheese on top. And then I forgot I wanted to make Spanish rice to go with it, so I will prep some rice tonight, but at least this part is done, the assembly part's done, and I can just pop it in the oven, so that cuts down on some prep time. All right, I just picked Sydney up from school and she's gonna do some homework. And I also got her in, I ordered her a dress from Nordstrom and it went on sale, and it's one that I had been eyeing. So let me grab some scissors.
There's 4 pages. There's 4 pages in this one. It said, we have to do 3, not 4.
Okay.
And
My battery's flashing at me. We'll try to hurry up. I had been eyeing this. I hope it's not too big. Because I thought it was really cute. It's a black denim dress. Oh, this is huge. It's a black denim dress with all of the little sparkly gems on it. It's supposed to fit oversized, but I went with a 9 because she's gonna be 9. Should have gone with a size smaller. Anyway, looks like I'll be exchanging this. Oh, what a bummer. I think it's really cute though. It's just massive. That would fit me.
Oh yeah, that would fit you.
So Sydney's homework is all done and now we're gonna play outside for a little bit. I think we have about a half hour left of daylight. I still haven't changed my battery, but she's gonna hang, play in the snow. I gotta do the trash. It's trash night. And get some nice fresh air. I'm so glad I prepped dinner. All I have to do is pop it in the oven. Thank goodness. I'll make some rice. Instead of Spanish rice, I'm just gonna do plain jasmine rice because I don't wanna have a very late dinner, especially on a school night. Try to stick somewhat to a normal bedtime routine and dinner routine. We gotta call grandma tonight. So, jasmine rice instead.